Oh. Oh, God. Oh. So I was over at my grandma's house today, and I decided to help her pack up her Christmas decorations and put them back in the attic. Oh. And the dust on top of being sick got to me. Oh. But I couldn't, like, let it out in front of her because mental block. So I was kind of just rubbing at my face and holding it on. Oh God, I'm gonna sneeze. And so I finally left. And it just got so bad that I just pulled over. And, this is kind of funny, but I just... I just pulled over and put a towel on my lap. And I'm just kind of letting my body do whatever it needs to do. Because I have to sneeze really bad. Oh God, these are crazy. I have to sneeze again. Oh God. Oh, I'm not done. Fuck, I have to sneeze. Oh. These are nuts. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Hold on, I feel more. Oh my God. Sometimes when it gets like this, it feels like it's never gonna stop. Sneeze again. No. Oh God. Please. Yes. Ooh. Gonna sneeze again. Whoa. Oh. Wow, that's crazy. I pulled over just in time. We got a few, but they weren't this intense. And so I pulled over and kind of let, like, the tickle take over, I guess. Oh, Jesus. Disease again. I think. I hope. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh. And see, I'm to the point where I get so stuck. When I'm sitting there, I can't even think about anything else. Except just trying to get it to come out. Like that. Things are super messy. They are clearing a lot though. Ugh. They're like, it tickles so bad that it's choking me. Oh my god, my voice is trashed. But I don't even think I'm done, which is the worst part. Or the best part, I guess. Depending on how you look at it. Oh. Oh my god, the tears. My eyes are just like streaming. Okay, so I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Or Happy Holidays. Or, oh god. Okay. I was able to get some water. So I hope everyone had a happy holiday. Whatever you do or do not celebrate, I hope you had a good time. And really, really close to me. We're really close to New Year. But I'm gonna be posting this late. But regardless, I just hope that everyone has a happy New Year as well. We are going to proceed with immense caution into 2023. I have to seize. Whoa. Okay. I have to sneeze again. Whoa. Whoa. That one was crazy messy. Whoa. Oh. I mean, at least my body's doing its job, I guess. And like working it out, but oh. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna make a video blowing my nose, and then if I get another wave, I'm gonna oh. Oh, I'm starting to get tired, and you can tell. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna blow my nose and record that. And then if I get another fit after, which I usually do after I blow my nose, then I'll record that and then splice this one and the other fit together and have the nose blowing in the middle. Oh, Okay, I'll be right back.